The syrup is over there.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't reach that high.
What about that one?
Is there?
That one.
You want this one?
What is the difference then?
This one's pure natural syrup, and this is sugar-free. So this is regular, and this is sugar-free.
Oh, not sugar-free one.
Yeah, they didn't take her name or anything. $7.99.
It's really expensive.
And this is pure natural syrup, and this is, oh, those are sugar-free. Yeah.
So sugar-free is cheaper than...
Yeah, about half.
Okay, let's buy sugar-free.
No,
Why?
because you won't like it.
No, I think it's fine. Let's buy sugar-free.
This is good.
Why?
Let's try it.
What about pancake mix?
Do you want it?
Just looking.
This one?
Let me see. We can eat.
Okay.
Hold on. Think.
It's little. Tiny crock pot.
It's not crock pot.
What is it? Not crock
Dutch
pot.
oven.
Dutch oven. Sorry, you know what I mean. Oh my goodness, look at this.
귀여운 거 엄청 많다.
It's a dog you don't have to feed or anything.
Which one? What is that?
Look at it. It's a baby Yorkie, but you don't have to feed it or anything.
Oh, it looks...
It just lays down all the time. But
kind of
it
weird.
breathes.
Oh, over there.
See, it's a puppy, but it doesn't do anything wrong. It's the perfect puppy.
It's cute.
Oh, they even call it perfect pets. It feels cool. This one's cool.
Let me see. Ah!
Yeah, I like that other one the most. This one's okay, but it's not my favorite. This one looks like something my mom has.
Uh-huh.
This one's not bad. What about that?
Oh, it's not bad. Just
But it's still my favorite.
so. 이거 냄새 진짜 좋은데. 이거였나? 아니다. Strawberry lemon, not this one. 와, tropical star fruit.
This white tea. Yummy. That smells really good. Smell that.
오,
I like that a lot.
멀미나.
Yummy.
멀미나는 냄새.
I like this hat.
You wanna buy this one?
No.
You wanna buy? You wanna buy?
No, I don't.
What about this one?
No. Look
Why?
at this though. You could put kimchi in here.
Oh, that's so
All you need
cute.
is love and the dog, and you can put kimchi's
I like
picture.
this one. 바로 갑니다. 집에. Oh, this is not our car.
No, that's not
Same as our. 우리 차로 갑니다. 우리 차로 갑니다. 우리 차로 갑니다.
So on behalf of myself and the rest of the company, sir, we would like to present you this guide on.
Thank you very, very much. I don't know where else. I'm gonna find a wall.
We'll find out. Please rise for the national anthem and remain the continuity of the organization. Although soldiers may change, the colors live on. At this time, First Sergeant Bartels passes the guide on to Captain Johnson. Captain Johnson now passes the guide on to Lieutenant Colonel Brock, signifying his relinquishment of command. Lieutenant Colonel Brock then passes the guide on to Captain Hedleski, demonstrating his confidence in him to command the company. Captain Hedleski passes the guide on to First Sergeant Bartels, entrusting him with the welfare of the unit and its soldiers. By authority of paragraph 2-5 Alpha, Army Regulation 600-20, the undersigned assumes command of the 1st Infantry Division's Signal, Intelligence, and Sustainment Company. Signed, Nicholas J. Hedleski, Captain, Signal Corps, Commanding.
I'm a big Red 1 soldier. Colonel Mungie, this is Mungie. Command Sergeant Major Jackson. Lieutenant Colonel Brock, this is Brock. Command Sergeant Major Love. Distinguished guests, family and friends, thank you for attending today's ceremony. You won't see any tears from me today because my wife says I owe her a $100 gift card to Marshall's if I cry. I'm gonna try my best. Good luck, babe. I was handed the CIS Company Guide on June 6, 2019. And over the past 21 months, I've had the distinct privilege of leading these soldiers in front of you, the best company in the United States Army. You have all left a lasting impression on me, a lasting impression on the Army, but most importantly, a lasting impression on the world. You have been part of deploying and deterring Russian aggression in Europe. You have diligently trained in a constant cycle of training events to include the first ever division rotation to NTC. And you have most recently taken on the fight of protecting the population by preventing the spread of COVID. Colonel Mungie and Command Sergeant Major Jackson, thank you both for your superb leadership and for the opportunity to command under you. You always allowed us enough flexibility to execute the mission our own way, and thank you for that. I truly hope I get the chance to work with both of you again in the future. Lieutenant Colonel Brock, you've been a phenomenal mentor and leader. You have taught me more than anyone could imagine. Not only were you there for me as a soldier and a leader, but you've been there for me personally. You taught me when I needed teaching, and you were never too harsh, and it was always a positive learning environment. Please know that I'm a better officer, leader, husband, and father because of you. Command Sergeant Major Love, when I think of you, it's like I have PTSD, but it's in a good way. I keep hearing the words, systems and processes. That's what's great about you. You are always consistent, and you practice what you preach. Thank you for always being there when the company needed wisdom. To my first sergeants, First Sergeant Retired Dent, Sergeant First Class Lassiter, and now First Sergeant Bartels, you're all simply amazing. Nothing in this company has happened without your involvement. First Sergeant Retired Dent, you gave everything you had in the tanks to this company, and I can't thank you enough. You didn't have to volunteer for this second command, but you did it because you love to lead and you love the soldiers.
Hi.
They have this. 내가 제일 좋아하는 거는 이거 chicken waffle.
It's gonna be good.
So good.
What else are we getting?
Huh?
What else are we getting? Shakshuka?
You say shakshuka and the shrimp etouffee,
Etouffee.
and the stuffed how can
Piquilo peppers?
yeah.
It looks yummy. I think it'll be good.
And
That's why I like this restaurant. It's a whiskey restaurant.
mine is
Bourbon and bacon.
non-alcohol.
Yeah, is it good?
Mojito.
Can I try it? Oh, it's interesting. Very minty. Really strong here.
Take a sip.
It's really, really good.
I love shakshuka. When did we come to this restaurant last time?
It was a long time ago when COVID was
my
just
birthday,
starting.
my birthday.
Yeah.
Chicken waffle.
That looks
Oh.
delicious.
Their signature menu.
It looks so
You
yummy.
must eat this.
She doesn't know we're watching her eat.
Why would you do that?
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, watch her mouth. Yum, 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 yum. It's all gone. No more chicken and waffles. It was the best chicken and waffles I ever ate.
That was goat cheese, but it tastes good. That goat cheese I got at Kroger wasn't any good. I said I would never eat goat cheese again, but that was good.